Hi, here we will see, entering party bank details is very fast in simpliRP. Go to, enter party bank details, in relationship. Enter few letters of party name. Enter the bank details of the party. You can add more bank to same party, in the same way. The details shown here are just examples only and does not represent any actual detail. Just update. Please go to list of companies report in customer reports. You can see the bank details entered are appearing against that party. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.